Hi everyone, it's Irma here, and in this tutorial I'll show you how to start working with Visual Composer Website Builder. If you've just installed Visual Composer, you'll see this Getting Started screen, and you can create your first page by clicking on the Create New button. Now, when we're in the editor, you can choose one of the Visual Composer layouts like blank page or a layout with header and footer. There's also an option to choose the theme default layout. Once you've selected a layout, you can click on Add Template, and that will open the template library and allow to add a template. Or you can start with adding an element from the element library. Remember that you can always download more elements and templates at the Visual Composer Hub, our online marketplace. And from this point, you can start building the page by adding more elements. When you're done with that, simply save the page as a draft or publish. You can go back to the WordPress dashboard here, and if you want to use Visual Composer from the WordPress dashboard, you can create a new page or post by clicking on Add New with Visual Composer here at the top. To edit an existing page, hover over one and click on Edit with Visual Composer. And that's all you need to know to start working with Visual Composer. Thank you all for watching and enjoy!